every moment it is going away from us. But we will have to take it, and for generations we will have to keep intact and hand it over to them. I'm not blaming anybody. In Goa, we will give more and more importance to that aspect. So history, I wondered about him because previously in 2015 and 2018, for national level that award for best Konkani film was made by him. But he didn't tell me about that. This is a situation in Goa. So we promote everybody. History is the historical field. We will have to promote more and more people. And our state is progressing things. This great man, of course, he contributed in a large scale. Contribution was there for the betterment of our state, and at that time we were not a full-fledged state. But even then, you see, after the liberation, to put the state in order was a task, very serious task, and according to the information gathered from our Sardeshai, that he did a lot of things for that purpose. I pay homage to him, and what he suggested, we will all try our level best to execute it, implement it, and our honorable ministry is also present here. That means Rajbhavan as well as our ministry is very much interested in this subject, and I hope we will be able to do positive things in future. Thank you very much.
Day in the history of Goa, because we are on the eve of the 60th death centenary of the second Lieutenant Governor of Goa, Sri Mulkraj Sachdev, who took the reins of Goa, liberated Goa, in September 1963. And unfortunately, he passed away in harness on 8th of December 1964. Incidentally, that was the feast day of the Panjim Church. One of the most important things that have happened here after liberation is that we had the first election in December 1963. After the counting, after all those majority and minority, the first elected, democratically elected government of the Union Territory of Goa, Daman and Diu was sworn in under his aegis. The other aspect of this is, and that is, there were quite a lot of contributions that he has made over here on his own. He has visited quite a lot of places. We are familiar with our present Honorable Governor visiting 189 villages and panchayats in Goa. He too at that particular time did go around and see these places. Later on, one more of the incident that happened was, we have the media over here. Today, the first organized club of the media, the Press Club of Goa, was inaugurated and installed by this, the late Lieutenant Governor, Sri Mulkraj Sachdev. In fact, when he passed away, all the coordinations about the rituals were done by another Padma Shri, that is Padma Shri Vinayak Khedekar, who was the member secretary of the Kala Academy for almost 35 years. Sir, and in this particular case, having two other mausoleums by the side over here of the first Chief Minister of the Union Territory of Goa, Daman and Diu, Sri Dayanand Balakrishna Bandodkar, who died in August of 78. And he was the first chief minister of the Union Territory and the first chief minister of the state of Goa to die in harness again was Sri Manohar Parrikar. Every year we have got a formal function that happens over there, giving the formal guard of honor. It is a request, it is a plea on behalf of a lot of Goans, if even this could be taken into account. This is just a request, this is not a plea, and if we could develop this area for the people to come and to sit down over here.